Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am gonna tell about the metals, non-metals and metalloids properties. This topic has taken from the chapter 2 of class 9. So for the detailed knowledge of all chapters and previous chapter and continuous topic, you have to first subscribe Krishna classes and press the like button. So let's start the today's class. What is the today's class? Properties of metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals have luster. Luster means shine. Metals have shine. They have silvery grey or golden yellow color. Metals have silvery grey or golden yellow color. They conduct heat and electricity. Metals conduct heat and electricity. Metals are ductile in nature. What is the meaning of ductile? It can be drawn into wires. It means metal can be drawn into wire. Metals have malleable property. What is the meaning of malleable? When metals can be harmed, then it converted into thin sheet. This is called the malleable property. They also have sonorous property. What is the meaning of sonorous? Ringing sound when heat. When metals heat, then they produces ringing sound. Example: gold, silver, copper, iron, etc. So this is the property of metals. And non-metals, what is the non-metals? They do not show this property. It means they show opposite property of metals. It means non-metals do not have luster property. Non-metals do not have silvery grey or golden yellow color. They do not conduct heat and electricity. They are not non-ductile. They are non-malleable. They are non-sonorous. It means non-metals are just opposite properties of metals. Example: hydrogen, oxygen, etc. So this is the non-metals. And what is the metalloids? Metalloids have intermediate properties between metals and non-metals. It means in metalloids some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. So example of metalloids is boron and silicon, etc. So this is the metals, non-metals and metalloids property. I repeat my class again. What is the metals? They have luster. It means shine. They have silvery grey or golden yellow color. They conduct heat and electricity. They are ductile in nature. It means converted into wire. They are malleable. It means when harmed, then it is converted into thin sheet. Sonorous means ringing sound when heat. Example: gold, silver, copper, iron, etc. So they are the metals. What is the non-metals? Non-metals are just opposite property of metals. It means they do not have luster. They do not silvery grey or golden yellow color. They do not conduct heat and electricity. They have not property of ductile. They do not converted into thin sheet. It means they do not have malleable property. They are also not sonorous. It means they do not produces ringing sound. So they are non-metals. Example: hydrogen, oxygen, etc. And what is the metalloids? Metalloids have intermediate properties between metals and non-metals. It means some properties of metals and some properties of metals. Non-metals takes place in metalloids. Example: boron and silicon, etc. So these are the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. You can take a screenshot or write in your notebook whatever you want for your memory. So this is the today's class. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes. Thank you so much for the watching.